I'm Ian Collison, and you're here at one of our nurseries in Terrington St Clement, near Kings Lynn on the east coast of England. We're seasonal cut flower producers for the UK, multiple retailers, supermarkets. We grow flowers all year round, and we employ up to about 75 people in peak season. We decided to buy a Furora really on the back of our tulip forcing. We forced quite a lot of tulips, and we were processing everything by hand. And looking at the machine, I had an idea that it would be able to also handle the stocks and possibly the lilies. We had initial conversations with Berkamex. They also said they thought it was possible to deal with stocks, certainly, and probably lilies. So based on that, it meant we could use the Furora for 12 months of the year, which made the payback much more attractive. When we're cropping lilies, we get a range of different flowers with different flower forms. An extreme example would probably be one like this, where we have the biggest buds, the lead buds, the ones that are going to make the most impact for the customer at this level, but we have this satellite bud, which is a long way above. If we compare that to this stem, where we don't really have a satellite bud, we've got the lead buds at one level, so the lead buds are here, so we're looking for that sort of thing there. If we look for the overall length, we would end up with the biggest buds up here, and it looks untidy in the bunch. So the customers want to see these biggest buds on one level, and that's what we've worked together with Berkamex and the engineers at Berkamex and the Vision software to do that. We've written new software to look at each individual stem in horizontal lines, look for the place where there's the most visible buds. We've got the mass of the buds, as we call it, and we put a line there on the computer image, and we measure to that line. On this one, we would measure somewhere here where the biggest buds are, and we will put those level. We will then use that line to measure the overall length of the stem, and we will allow a certain amount of satellite. And if we have stems with long satellites, we can put them together into one bunching station on the Furora. If we have stems with no satellites, we put them together into a different bunching station. We are able to switch programs. So generally on the lilies, we will have a program set up for the specification of each customer. So we know, some customers want bunches of 4, some customers want bunches of 6. So we'll have a named program for each customer, which we can set up with the exact parameters from their specification. This is your program, this is the length we're cutting to, this is what the machine is looking for, and we can show them real time the live camera images of how the machine is graded. The customer's response to the fact that we've got these separate programs and we can demonstrate the investment in improving efficiency and quality with the Furora has been very positive. The customers like to see businesses that are investing in going forward, and they like to see that we're investing in quality as well as efficiency.